Hey guys, today we're jumping into some live trades using Planalto Rev software. Let's see how it plays out. Fingers crossed for some wins. All right, time zone set to UTC plus 06. Perfect match with Quotex. Let's go. Here we go. Taking the first trade, following our trusted rules. Wish us luck. And our first trade is in. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Yes, first trade, and we're in profit already. Great start. All right, just waiting for the next trade window to open. Patience is key. Here we go again. Second trade placed, and it's already running in profit. This is looking good. Oh no, last second loss. That one hurt a little, but no worries. We're still up in our overall MTG profit, so we're sticking with it. Heck. Waiting for the next trade window. Here we go again soon. All right, place the trade. And yes, it's moving back into profit, nice and steady. Well, another profit. We're building up nicely. So, that brings us to a total profit amount dollars. Not bad at all. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. See you next time. Happy trading.